Happy Friday, everybody. Joe, 690 ADV. Happy Friday. You know what? The KTM 390 Adventure. I tell you what. You know what? I'm not even going to talk too much. We're just going to get right on into it. Coming up next.
What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Hopefully everybody is having a really good day today and this week. Did you know that your motorcycle will not run if it doesn't have fuel? I forget all the time. That light just blinks on me and says, guess what? Fuel up or you're going to be pushing this bike. Anyway, hey, thanks for stopping in and thank you for being part of the channel. Don't forget, you can hit me up on 690adv at gmail.com anytime. Any questions you have, maybe bikes or something like that, yeah, I'll do my best to get back to you and get you hopefully the information that you're looking for. Also, you can hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, we appreciate that. KTM, when they released that 390 Adventure, I know it took a little while for them to get it going and get it out, but man, I'll tell you what, it is going like wildfire right now. That bike right there is selling like crazy. So I know that a lot of new riders and a lot of, even seasoned riders have been digging into that bike, and for good reason, and we're going to talk about it tonight. The KTM 390 Adventure, it's the perfect, and I mean, I'm going to be honest with you, this is my personal opinion. You can sit there and whatever down in the comments, you can say whatever you want, but my personal opinion, I think it's the best small adventure motorcycle, period. Hands down. I really do. I think it is hands down the best small adventure bike, and let me tell you why I think it's perfect. And it's the best. The engine size is really good. It's really good. Now, this may not be like an around-the-world bike or anything like that, but for small to medium-sized adventure travel, it's sporting a 373cc single-cylinder engine with 44 horsepower. I hate to break the news to you. 44 horsepower is pretty darn good. That means it'll get up and it'll basically do the business on what you need to do. It'll scoot you a good 70-plus miles an hour on the highway, and that's more than what you're going to need. It's perfect for everybody, and I mean everybody. It's perfect for new riders. It's perfect for experienced riders. I mean, it's just all the way around 100% just well-rounded. It really is a well-rounded adventure motorcycle, and it is an adventure motorcycle. It's not a dual sport. It's an adventure cycle. So, anyway, with that being said, it's really perfect for those new riders and basically seasoned riders. But not only that, short people, women, even guys that are short. The seat height, man, fantastic. 33-inch seat height. I mean, that's for anybody, man. That is a perfect seat height for anybody to throw that leg over, get those feet down, especially when you're on the highway and you got to get at those stop signs and you feel a little tipsy-turvy. It's great. Get those feet down. And then some people like it because of the off-road as well. But it also comes with a lot of big boy stuff added onto the bike too, like cornering ABS, which is really nice. It also comes with traction control, a quick shifter that's optional. There's different things that you can get on there, like the bigger bikes, which is really kind of cool, in a little small package, which is really, really nice. Now, since it's been out for what, like 6 months to a year, maybe a little longer, there's lots of aftermarket parts coming. So if you're looking for, a new small adventure bike that you just want to get out, hit the road, maybe do a 2-3, day camping or just see some stuff, man, you can get tons of aftermarket parts for this bike that you can adventurize it and make it super cool and just for you, which is really, really nice. Like side panniers, or maybe you want to run soft luggage. You can get skid plates. You can get basically the bark busters or the hand guards. You can get all of that extra stuff to make it perfect for you, which is really, really nice. The coolest thing that's out right now, I know you could get an optional separate wheel package for it. That was my biggest thing, is those cast wheels. They're kind of, I don't care for them. That's streety. You need spoke if you want to do any off-road work. Now, they just announced it, that overseas, and you know it's going to come to the U.S., so make no mistake about it, they now have with the KTM power parts, you can get a spoke wheel option. And basically, I don't know what it comes out to in the euro, but basically what it breaks down to in U.S. dollars, it's about $1,000. That's not bad, man, for a brand new set of wheels. So you could basically change out those wheels, put a spoke wheel system on there, and it's a 1917, which is very common for adventure motorcycles. It's very common. If you own a 390 and you have adventurized it, have you put a spoke wheel on it? And what have you done to it that makes it so amazing for other people that are seeing this video? Why they should buy one of these bikes. I think it's just hands down the best over the Kawasaki 300, the 310 GS, the 250 from Suzuki, the V-Strom, all those bikes. I think this bike is hands down the absolute best, and I think it will do the business much better than all those bikes. It holds about 4 gallons of fuel. And the really cool part that I like about it is that it's in such a small package, it doesn't weigh a whole lot. 348 pounds. Man, that ain't bad. That's only like 30, it's only, about, depends on your wet weight, but it's only about somewhere between 20 and 30 pounds more than the 690. Now, does it have the power? No, it does not. But at the end of the day, it's an adventure traveling bike. So guess what? That's perfect. At 300-something pounds and at 44 horsepower, man, I'll tell you what, you can do some really interesting, fun, cool stuff on and off-road. Best part about that motorcycle for everybody, the price. KTM just basically just nailed it. They hit a home run with it. In my personal opinion, you comment down below what you think. $6,100, man. A brand new KTM with a warranty, all those cool features, now with a spoke wheel option, and you've got all these different aftermarket parts that you can get for it. So you can adventurize that thing for probably about $8,000. What a deal. The KTM 390 Adventure, all around, hands down, best small adventure bike. I say it. What do you think? Put it down below. Let me know and everyone else what you're thinking. Hey, thanks for stopping in. Have a great weekend, and make sure that, you're being safe out there. The weather is really getting good, and it's only going to get better. We're getting so close to getting out and hitting some of the trails and all that stuff. And if you've been cooped up, get out and get yourself a little adventure time in, and but be safe at it. And don't forget, we'll see you on Tuesday, and we'll also see you on Friday. Thanks so much. I'm Joe. Have a great weekend. 690 out.